Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chicken fajita tortilla soup. But before we get started, I am so excited to share with you that our place is having their full heart sale. The Always Pan and Perfect Pot have been life-changing. I love to cook everything in my perfect pot, from arroz con leche, menudo, pozole, and of course this delicious chicken fajita soup. The best part is that the ceramic coating is non-stick, so I can just wipe it down with a sponge just after I'm done using them. I can't recommend the perfect pot enough. I'm definitely gifting this to my friends and family this upcoming holidays. The perfect pot is the next kitchen must-have. We're going to begin by bringing to a boil 4 quarts of water, 2 bay leaves, 1 onion, and salt. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add 3 pounds of chicken breast, and we're going to allow it to boil again. After 25 minutes, we're going to remove the impurities from our chicken. We're going to add a handful of cilantro. We're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from our perfect pot and allow it to cool down for a few minutes. We're carefully going to strain our broth and set it to the side. After a few minutes, shred the chicken. And once we have our chicken, now we are ready to begin cooking. We're going to return to our perfect pot, set it on medium heat. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And we're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add 2 red bell peppers, 2 green bell peppers, and 1 small white onion. So now we're going to saute for 7 minutes. Okay, after 7 minutes, we're going to add 2 Roma tomatoes, 1 minced garlic clove. We're going to mix it and cook it for 1 minute. Okay, after the minute, we're going to add 5 cups of our chicken broth, our fajita seasoning mix, tomato hot sauce, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a little bit of salt. It's going to mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect. So now we're going to add our shredded chicken. Mix it and allow it to come to a simmer again. And lastly, we're going to add chopped cilantro. But just like that, we have our delicious chicken fajita tortilla soup. Okay, so now we can get ready to serve. And I like to add my tortilla chips last, just so like that they can be crunchy by the time we're enjoying it. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Going to add some shredded cheese, my tortilla strips, and some pico de gallo. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious chicken fajita tortilla soup. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready guys, let me tell you that this soup is honestly super delicious. Everyone enjoys it and it's perfect for this time of year. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good, so flavorful, and the chips are still crunchy, just how I like them. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious chicken fajita tortilla soup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recommend this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And once again, don't forget to check out our place full heart sale right now.